Hi guys, good morning. So welcome back to my channel and welcome to the people who are seeing me for the first time. So I was about to go for my workout, like I do workout at home. I thought, why don't I show you my pre and post workout routine? I work out at home. Okay, I work out at home, and there are not many things which we can do being at home, but there are certain things which we surely can maintain and we should maintain for our own health. So the first thing which I do is I have a coffee, and I'm doing a new thing for few days, maybe for a week. I don't know how long will I continue. If I like it, I'll let you know. But apart from that, for I just have a simple black coffee because I love black coffee and I think it is important. Like since I started joining, like I started for my workout weight loss journey, sorry. So people were telling that it's workout you do, it just adds it's act as a catalyst for your body to lose more workout, which is not a new thing, everyone knows. I have a friend of mine, I'm not a certified person, but I have a friend of mine who has helped me all through this journey, and I'll keep his details below in the description box. If anyone of you is interested, please do and check it out. I'm mostly keeping this video in English for the people, for the people's, like other people doesn't have a language barrier for them. Yeah, and this is my balcony. I thought, let me welcome you today at my balcony, even though it doesn't have a very great view, but it's okay. You need to adjust to your life. That's what life is. Now, cheers for the morning coffee. And I think rest of the videos will be on a voiceover because it's a small video. I don't want to lengthen it. Yeah, so I'll do the outro over here only. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you like it, and I really need your support. I can see my channel struggling, but that's okay. I'm okay to do it. I'll keep on uploading. Even if it's for 10 people, I'll surely do that. Bye.
So here I am. I came for my workout. Today is my upper body day. So to prepare my body for the upper body strength workout which I'm gonna do today, I need to warm up my body parts. Like, as I'll be concentrating on the upper part of my body, I need to warm up my shoulders, my hand, my arms, my bicep. These are the basic muscle stretchings and warm up that I do before workout, and it is important because you should not harm yourself while doing a strength training. So warm up is very important before you do any kind of strength workout. So once I'm done with my warm up, I'll straight away I go into my workouts for the day. So today, as I said, it's my upper body workout and I use these resistance tubes which I have bought from Amazon. If you're interested, let me know, because I got it from a suggestion of my friend and they are amazing. They are weighted resistance tubes, like there are a few lightweight and there are a few heavier weights which you can increase gradually as you are working on them, and I think they are very nice and portable. You can even take it if you are going for a small trip, like people who likes to work out every day, like they would, for them I think it's best, and for me, for working out for home, it's best. Like, I have got results using them. Mostly I'll end my workout with a plank, and after that I straight go away again to muscle stretching, because it is very important to relax your muscle, stretch them a little, because you have been working on them for 20-30 minutes. They need that relaxation. It will help you from not having any muscle cramp, or maybe you might have injured yourself, so it will relax those muscles, you know. And it is very important. When I started my weight loss journey, I used to not understand the importance of post workout muscle stretching, but as day passed by, I know how it became important. Like I can feel the difference from the time I used to not do till the time I started doing it. Like your body feel relaxed after the hard workout you do. I will then have and go for this some asanas. I think they relax me. And then I go ahead with some breathing exercise. They do calm me down. My body feel calm. And yeah, that's how I end my workout. And then I'll straight away go for a shower so that I can get fresh. After I get fresh, what I do is that I moisturize my skin very well, as I saw that it helps me with stretch marks, and moisturizing will help you to get little bit of lesser stretch marks, which is okay. Your life, your body, you own it. Post workout, try to take some kind of protein. If you have, this is a Oziva woman's protein which I take and I like it. It's good for your muscles. So by this time, shooting, filming, it was like my lunch time. I didn't get time for breakfast, but if you have, do your breakfast. I straight away went for lunch because I was shooting. It takes time. So yeah, like after I had protein, I waited for 5-6 minutes, like 10-15 minutes, and then I straight away went for my lunch. Like try to have a good meal which have good amount of protein. So yeah, today I've taken some veggies, salad, some carbs which is rice, and a good protein which is 2 boiled eggs. So yeah, this was my lunch. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Bye.